So you are the bird on the run, huh?
Oh, yeah. And I can't wait to get back to my real home on Sesame Street. I figure I can walk back there in, about 3 hours.
3 hours? More like 3 weeks, buddy.
Weeks? Oh, no. I'll never get home.
Sure you will. You just gotta keep going. Pick up your feet, follow your feet.
Well, I don't know.
Listen to me, son.
I found out a long time ago, you gotta learn to say yes when life says no. Don't dwell on the bad times once they're past. That kind of thinking gets you nowhere fast. 'Cause there ain't no mountain you can't climb if you hang on tight and just make up your mind. Once you set your heart to moving on, son, there ain't no road too long. Don't look back, don't you turn around.
Just keep your eye on where you're bound,
And you're bound to get from here to there, 'cause a dream can take you anywhere. If we do focus, 'cause there ain't no mountain you can't climb if you hang on tight and just make up your mind. And once you set your heart to moving on, then there is no road too long, and you can count the telephone poles. 1 telephone pole, 2 telephone poles, 3 telephone poles, 4 telephone poles.
Cause there ain't no mountain you can climb if you hang on tight and just make up your mind. And once you set your heart to moving on, yeah, there ain't no road too long.
Ain't no mountain you can't climb
That's right.
if you hang on tight and just make up your mind.
Uh-huh.
Once you set your heart to moving on,
Sing it.
there ain't no road too long. There ain't no road too long.
There ain't no road too long.
No, there ain't no road too long.
Thanks a lot.
Hey, good luck.
Thank
You
you.
don't worry, you're gonna make it home just fine.
Okay.